Hello friends. Today we embark on a wondrous journey to unravel the secrets of attachment. Just like how you snuggle with your favorite stuffed animal or share giggles with your mom, attachment is all about the special connections we create with the people we care about. Together we will dive into this fascinating world, filled with love, friendship, and amazing discoveries. Imagine you have a magical compass deep inside your heart called attachment. This compass guides you to find people who make you feel safe, loved, and cherished. Some incredibly smart people called psychologists have studied this compass, and we call them attachment experts. They have dedicated their lives to understanding how these magical bonds work and how they shape our lives. Now let me introduce you to the extraordinary attachment experts. One of them is John Bowlby. He loves studying how children and their caregivers get along. He believes that these special connections are like the sunshine that brightens our days. Another remarkable expert is Mary Ainsworth. She created something called the strange situation test, which helps us understand attachment even better. Isn't it fascinating how they came up with all these amazing ideas to help us understand the magic of love? There are 4 enchanting types of attachments. The first type is called secure attachment. It's like having a cozy warm blanket of love wrapped around you. Children with secure attachment feel safe and secure to explore the world because they know their caregivers will always be there to support and protect them. Just like a superhero, they feel brave and confident. The second type is anxious ambivalent attachment. Imagine riding on a thrilling roller coaster, where your feelings go up and down. Sometimes children with this attachment type feel very close to their caregivers and enjoy their company. But other times, they worry that their caregivers might not be there for them. This can make them feel a little scared or worried. Remember, it's okay to have these feelings, and talking about them can help. Next, let's explore avoidant attachment. It's like being a clever little ninja. Children with avoidant attachment have learned that their caregivers may not always respond consistently to their needs. So they try to be independent and tough on the outside, like a little adventurer exploring the world. But deep down, they still long for love and support. The last type is disorganized attachment. It's a bit like a puzzle that doesn't fit together perfectly. Children with disorganized attachment may feel confused because their caregivers' behaviors can sometimes be scary or unpredictable. But worry not, my brave friend, there are always kind and caring grown-ups who can help them make sense of it all and provide the love and support they need. Let's take a closer look at each attachment type. In the land of secure attachment, children feel confident and safe to explore new things because they know their caregivers are their biggest cheerleaders. No matter what happens, they can always count on their loved ones to lend a helping hand or offer a comforting hug. It's like having a superhero cape that makes them feel invincible. In the realm of anxious ambivalent attachment, children may sometimes worry that their caregivers might not be there for them. They might feel a little sad or anxious when they're apart and become clingy when they're together. But guess what? Talking about these feelings with your caregivers can help make things better. Now let's journey into the fascinating world of avoidant attachment. Children with this attachment type are like little adventurers, exploring the world on their own. They've learned to be self-reliant and not depend too much on their caregivers. But deep down, they still need love and support, just like a brave explorer who occasionally needs a helping hand. Welcome to the realm of disorganized attachment. In this enchanting place, things can sometimes be a bit topsy-turvy. Children might feel scared or confused because their caregivers' behaviors are unpredictable. But fear not, my courageous companion, there are gentle and caring grown-ups who can help them understand and feel safe, just like a wise wizard guiding them through the magical realm. Dear friend, attachment is like a graceful dance. Sometimes we take a step forward, and other times we take a step back. But what truly matters is that we're always there for each other, just like 2 best friends exploring a magical kingdom hand in hand. Together we can overcome any challenge that comes our way. It's okay to experience different attachment styles at different times, my friends. Our feelings can change, just like the seasons. Remember, no matter which attachment type we have, there are always people who care about us and want us to feel loved. We are surrounded by a world of warmth and affection. So let's celebrate the magic of attachment. It helps us build strong bonds with our loved ones and teaches us how to be caring and understanding friends. Whether we're secure, anxious, ambivalent, avoidant, or disorganized, we can all learn to understand and support each other better. It's like discovering a treasure trove of love and friendship. As we reach the end of our enchanting journey, always remember the beauty of love and friendship. They are the most precious gifts in this world. With love in our hearts and kindness in our actions, we can create a world filled with laughter, joy, and endless adventures. Keep spreading your love and kindness, for you have a heart full of magic. Oh, what a marvelous adventure we've had! We've explored the wonders of attachment, met incredible attachment experts, and discovered the different attachment types. Love and friendship are the guiding stars that illuminate our lives, creating bonds that make us strong and resilient. Embrace the magic within you and let it shine brightly for all to see. Together we can create a world where love and attachment make everything extraordinary. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad.